10 reasons UK village life isn't for everyone. Imagine moving to a picture-perfect British village surrounded by stone cottages, rolling green fields, and peaceful country lanes. It sounds like a dream, but for many people, the reality can be surprisingly different. Behind the postcard views are challenges that rarely make it into travel brochures. Some are frustrating, some are expensive, and some can completely change the way you live. And if you think the number one reason is simply boredom, wait until you hear what tops this list. These are the 10 reasons UK village life isn't for everyone. 10. The lack of convenience can wear you down. The first thing many newcomers notice is how much longer everyday tasks take. Need to pick up a prescription, buy new shoes, or visit a bank. In many villages, those services are no longer available locally. Rural shops, banks, and post offices have disappeared from many communities over the years, leaving residents dependent on nearby towns. In some villages, a simple errand can mean a 20-minute or 30-minute drive each way. Forgetting one item at the supermarket suddenly becomes much more annoying when the nearest store is miles away. The peaceful setting is wonderful, but convenience often comes at a price, and that's only the beginning. 9. Public transport can be limited. Many people underestimate how much they rely on buses and trains until they move to a village. Some villages have infrequent bus services. Others may have none at all in the evenings or on Sundays. Missing the last bus could leave you stranded. For teenagers, older residents, or anyone who cannot drive, this can be a major challenge. What feels charming during a weekend visit can become frustrating when transport determines your daily routine. The freedom of village life often depends on something many people take for granted: a car. And that leads directly to the next issue. 8. You may need a car for almost everything. Living without a vehicle is possible in some villages, but it can be difficult. School runs, grocery shopping, medical appointments, and social events often require driving. Even collecting a takeaway meal can involve a lengthy journey. During winter evenings, narrow country roads lined with hedges can feel very different from well-lit urban streets. Rain, fog, and occasional flooding can make travel slower and more stressful. For people who prefer walking or public transport, village life may feel surprisingly restrictive. But transportation isn't the only thing that can test your patience. 7. Deliveries can take longer. Online shopping has made people expect next-day delivery. Village life sometimes has other plans. While many rural areas are well served, deliveries do not always move as quickly as they do in major urban centres. Deliveries may take longer than in large towns and cities, particularly in more remote rural areas. Some courier companies operate limited schedules in harder-to-reach locations. Residents occasionally find themselves waiting extra days for furniture, appliances, or important parcels. That excitement of clicking "Order Now" fades quickly when tracking information seems frozen for days. And sometimes, even staying connected can be a challenge. 6. Mobile signals and internet speeds can be unpredictable. The UK has made huge improvements in broadband coverage, but some rural areas still struggle with connectivity. There are villages where mobile phone signals disappear the moment you step into certain rooms. Residents sometimes learn exactly where to stand in the garden to make a reliable call. A dropped video meeting may be a minor annoyance for some people. For remote workers, it can become a serious problem. Reliable internet is increasingly important for work, education, entertainment, and communication. When connectivity becomes inconsistent, village life can feel less convenient than expected. The countryside offers peace and quiet, but modern life increasingly depends on staying connected. Yet technology isn't the only thing that can make village life feel limiting. 5. Tradespeople are often in high demand. Need a plumber, an electrician, a roofer? You may discover that everyone else in the village needs one too. In smaller communities, reliable tradespeople can become extremely busy. Waiting several weeks for non-urgent work is not unusual. A leaking tap might not be fixed tomorrow. A home improvement project might take much longer than expected. Many residents learn to plan ahead because help is not always immediately available. When winter arrives and repairs become urgent, waiting lists can feel even longer. But while services may arrive slowly, information often travels very quickly. 4. Privacy can be hard to find. One of the biggest surprises for newcomers is how connected village communities can be. In many villages, people know one another and often notice changes within the community. They recognize familiar faces, know local routines, and pay attention to what is happening around them. This sense of community is often one of village life's greatest strengths. Neighbors frequently help one another, check in on elderly residents, and support local events. But for people who value complete anonymity, the experience can feel uncomfortable. In some villages, news can travel astonishingly fast, sometimes faster than social media, and that sense of familiarity becomes even more noticeable during certain times of year. 3. Tourists can completely change the atmosphere. Many beautiful British villages attract visitors. During quiet winter months, a village may feel calm and peaceful. Then summer arrives and everything changes. Popular destinations can suddenly fill with cars, walkers, cyclists, and sightseers. Car parks overflow, roads become crowded, queues appear outside local cafes and village attractions. For local businesses, tourism can be a major benefit. Restaurants, shops, and accommodation providers often depend on visitor spending. For residents, however, the contrast can be dramatic. The village they enjoy for most of the year can feel completely different during peak holiday periods. In fact, this contrast is one reason why so many people search for videos about 10 reasons UK village life isn't for everyone. And the next reason becomes especially noticeable when those tourists leave. 2. Winter can feel surprisingly isolated. Summer photographs rarely show what village life feels like in January. Dark evenings arrive early, rain can seem endless, strong winds sweep across open countryside. Village streets that were busy during warmer months suddenly become much quieter. When roads are quiet and neighbours stay indoors, some villages can feel remarkably isolated. The same peaceful silence that feels relaxing during a holiday can feel very different after weeks of grey skies and limited activity. Many people love the slower pace. Others discover they miss the energy, convenience and variety of town life. And now we reach the reason that catches many newcomers completely off guard. 1. Village life can feel smaller than you expected. The hardest adjustment is not always practical. Sometimes it's emotional. In cities, there is constant variety. New restaurants, events, entertainment options, and opportunities appear all the time. Village life moves at a different pace. That slower rhythm is exactly why many people choose it. But not everyone enjoys it long term. Some newcomers eventually realize they miss spontaneity. They miss choice. They miss being able to decide on a whim to visit a cinema, attend a concert, try a new restaurant, or meet friends without planning a lengthy journey. The beautiful cottage, the scenic views, and the peaceful surroundings remain exactly as advertised, yet daily life can still feel smaller than expected. For some people, that's the perfect lifestyle. For others, it's the reason they eventually leave. And that is why village life continues to fascinate so many people considering a move to rural Britain. The truth is that British village life offers stunning scenery, strong communities, and a slower pace that many people love. But every lifestyle involves trade-offs. Understanding both sides is what makes 10 Reasons UK Village Life Isn't for Everyone such a fascinating topic, and why so many viewers keep exploring the realities of living in a British village. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.